Our undergraduate marketing and data analytics degree, taught in our Marylebone campus, is designed to prepare you for the rapidly expanding field of marketing data analytics, equipping you with the skills to analyze and interpret critical marketing data using the latest tools and technologies. Through our comprehensive curriculum, you will gain a deep understanding of analytics application in marketing, enabling you to make informed data-driven decisions. Our programs also offer enhanced experience through options like a year-long working experience or an opportunity to study abroad. Additionally, you have access to our state-of-the-art digital marketing lab, Switch 23, where you can master industry standard software such as Tableau, PowerBI, and Google Analytics. Our teaching approach incorporates real-world applications where live clients brief, ensuring you will have prepared a professional world. Graduates of these programs are well positioned of roles such as Customer Insights Analyst, Digital Analytics and Specialist, and Data Marketing Specialist, with alumni success in top firms like Sony, Europe, and the PVC UK.